so you can't stop doubting yourself? Fear not. Over the past 63 days, I destroyed my comfort zone to crack the confidence code. I interviewed 52 psychologists, read 8 books on confidence psychology, analyzed 200+ YouTube videos to see what's garbage and what actually works, and ran social experiments that made me want to hide under my bed. 147 pages of notes later, I've got the formula, and I'm giving it to you in the next 10 minutes. No fluff. No, just believe in yourself nonsense. Pure psychological gold that actually sticks. Before we start, let me destroy the myth killing your progress right now. Confident people aren't confident all the time. Boom. Mind blown. University of Pennsylvania research proves that high performers feel the exact same anxiety as low performers. Same sweaty palms, same racing heart, same oh crap feeling. The difference? High performers interpret it as excitement. Low performers see danger and retreat. Same feeling. Opposite action. Completely different life. So if you're waiting to feel confident before you act, you're playing a game you'll never win. That's not how this works. Here's the trap keeping you stuck. The preparation paradox. You think you need more skills, more knowledge, more YouTube videos before you can be confident. So you study, research, plan, and wait for the day you feel ready. Plot twist. That day never comes. Why? Because confidence doesn't come from preparation. It comes from action. The Journal of Personality and Social Psychology proved that self-efficacy is built through mastery experiences. You get confident by doing the scary thing, not preparing for it. You didn't learn to ride a bike by reading about balance. You got on, fell 17 times, figured it out. Confidence works the same way. But step out of your comfort zone is useless advice. That's like telling someone to just make money when they're broke. So let me give you what nobody else is teaching. After analyzing all my research, I discovered confidence follows a specific formula. Confidence equals competence times action minus rumination times comparison. This equation is the difference between people who build real confidence and people who stay stuck forever. Competence. Actually be good at something, not fake it. Pick one skill that matters. Public speaking, your job, a physical skill, and get obsessively good at it. Stanford research shows people with deep expertise in one area have higher overall confidence than people with shallow knowledge everywhere. This creates your confidence anchor. Action, the multiplier. All the competence in the world equals zero confidence without action. But here's the key. It's not massive action. It's consistent micro actions slightly above your current level. Behavioral psychology calls this successive approximation. Small steps, repeated. Rumination, the confidence killer. Every minute, overthinking past failures subtracts from your confidence. Neuroscience shows rumination activates the same brain regions as actual failure. Your brain can't tell the difference between a real bad experience and one you're imagining. Cut the rumination. Comparison. Every time you compare yourself to someone else's highlight reel, you drain your confidence bank. Social comparison theory proves upward comparison reliably decreases confidence. The fix? Compare yourself only to your past self. That's the only game worth playing. Enough theory. Time to build. Step 1. The exposure ladder. Don't jump from zero to hero overnight. Build a ladder with 10 rungs from least scary to most scary. Let's say networking scares you. Rung 1. Eye contact with a cashier. Rung 2. How's your day? To the interaction. Rung 3. 2-minute chat with a coworker. Rung 4. Introduce yourself to someone new. Up to rung 10. Meaningful conversation with a stranger at a networking event. Do rungs 1 to 3 for 1 week, multiple times. Once rung 3 feels boring, move up. Each rung should feel 30% uncomfortable, not 5%, not 80%. 30% is where growth happens without panic. Step 2. The evidence journal. Your brain has a negativity bias. It's evolutionarily wired to remember dangerous stuff, which means you systematically underestimate your abilities and overestimate your failures. Fix it. Every day, write 3 pieces of evidence you're more capable than you think. Not affirmations. Evidence. Handled a tough conversation professionally. Spoke up even though my voice shook. That person smiled when I introduced myself. Positive psychology research shows this rewires your pattern recognition. After 30 days, your brain automatically spots confidence-building evidence instead of only failures. Step 3. The alter ego effect. Create a confident alter ego. Name it. Define how they walk, talk, decide. This isn't fake it till you make it. It's strategic psychological distancing. Journal of Experimental Psychology found people with alter egos perform significantly better under pressure because they weren't emotionally attached to outcomes. The ego protection let them take bigger risks. Before challenging situations, ask, how would alter ego name handle this? The psychological distance is incredibly liberating. Step 4. The rejection challenge. 7 consecutive days. 1 intentional rejection per day. Ask for a discount. Invite someone on a date. Pitch an idea that might fail. Request a meeting above your level. Jia Zhang did this for 100 days. By day 30, rejection stopped triggering anxiety. By day 60, neutral. By day 100, almost fun. Why? You're proving your brain's catastrophic predictions wrong. Brain predicts disaster. Reality shows it's manageable. After enough reps, your brain updates its model. This single practice beats 1,000 affirmations. Nobody talks about this because it's not sexy, but your biology affects confidence more than mindset. Harvard Medical School research: chronic stress, poor sleep, and nutritional deficiencies directly impact your brain's ability to regulate fear and take action. 5 hours of sleep, 3 coffees, and a protein bar. No amount of positive thinking will make you confident. Sleep: 7 to 8 hours. Sleep deprivation increases amygdala activity by 60%. You're literally more anxious when tired. Exercise: 30 minutes of intense work increases BDNF, helping your brain form new neural pathways. It's physically easier to build confident behaviors. Nutrition: omega-3s, magnesium, B vitamins support neurotransmitter production. Low serotonin equals higher anxiety. Fix your biology first, then work on psychology. Not sexy, but it's reality. Most people view confidence as a trait. I'm either confident or I'm not. Wrong. This keeps you stuck. Confidence is a skill, like fitness. You wouldn't say, I'm not a fit person and never work out. You'd say, I'm not fit yet, so I train. Same with confidence. You're not unconfident. You just haven't trained consistently. Stop asking, what if I fail? Start asking, what if I succeed? Your brain answers whichever question you ask. Most people spend 90% catastrophizing failure, 10% imagining success. Flip it. Visualization research shows mental rehearsal of success activates the same neural pathways as actual success, priming your brain for confident action. Here's something wild. Confidence compounds like interest. One small confident action today creates a tiny deposit. Tomorrow, that next action feels 2% easier. You do it. Another deposit. Day 3, 4% more confident. Day 4, 8%. This compounds exponentially. But here's the insane part. MIT research found confident people get 3 times more opportunities within 30 days. Why? Confident behavior signals competence. People start including you, asking your opinion, offering chances. You're not just building confidence, you're building a system that generates more confidence-building opportunities. Self-reinforcing cycle. And the biggest secret nobody tells you? Maximum doubt creates maximum confidence gains. When you're terrified and do it anyway, that creates massive neural rewiring. Your brain goes, we survived something we thought would destroy us. Update the threat assessment. 1 scared action beats 10 comfortable ones. That's why rejection challenges work so well. Time to separate the serious people from the YouTube content consumers. Days 1 to 3. Start your exposure ladder. Rungs 1 to 2 daily. Days 4 to 7. Add evidence journal, 3 pieces nightly. Days 8 to 10. Move to rungs 3 to 4. Should feel uncomfortable, not terrifying. Days 11 to 14. Rejection challenge. 1 intentional rejection daily. Track everything. How you felt before, during, after. Document wins, failures, insights. Why 14 days? Research shows 2 weeks of consistent action creates measurable changes in self-perception. But half-ass effort gets half-ass results. Do the actual work. Don't just nod along. Real talk. Building confidence is uncomfortable. It's supposed to be. You'll feel awkward. Face rejection. Question if it's working. That's not a sign you're doing it wrong. That's proof you're doing it right. Unshakable confidence comes from becoming comfortable being uncomfortable. The confidence you're chasing, already inside you. You've just buried it under fear, doubt, overthinking. Every brave thing you've ever done, you access that confidence. It's there. Train yourself to access it consistently. This framework isn't magic. It's not a shortcut. It's a systematic approach to building something real. Most people won't do it. They'll feel inspired for 20 minutes, then return to normal patterns. Don't be most people. Confidence isn't feeling fearless. It's feeling fear and acting anyway. It's not having answers. It's being comfortable with uncertainty. It's not being perfect. It's being willing to be imperfect in public. Your confident self is on the other side of actions you're avoiding. Stop doubting. Start proving what you're capable of. One uncomfortable action at a time. If this gave you the blueprint, subscribe. We're building the world's shortest courses on what actually matters. Cutting BS. Giving you what works. Stop watching. Start doing. Your 14-day challenge starts now.